Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to show write content container widget or column to specific or multiple IP addresses in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. So we are going to hide or display content to multiple or specific IP addresses using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So after that you can click on any widget like text widget. Now you see visibility new option, so click on it. Now you see adding widget, so click on it. Again you see visibility option. So we are going to hide or display content to multiple or specific IP addresses. Now you see edit container, so click on it. And then you see visibility in edit container, so again click on it. Now you see dynamic visibility enable. Now yes. And then you see multiple option. And then you see display mode. You see show, hide. So we have to display mode. So if you want to display content for specific or multiple IP addresses, then check or select show mode. So if you want to hide content for specific or multiple IP addresses, now select display mode hide, so it's up to you. So we select show, and then you see trigger. Now click on it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see user and role, so click on it. Again you see user and role, so expand it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see remote IP. Type here the list of IP who will be able to view or write the element. You can separate IPs by comma. Now you see this is a format. So you can add one or more IP addresses according to requirement. Here separated by comma, and then click on update. So after that this container only visible to that IP addresses. If you want you can hide it, so it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.